So bafethu-ke uBonko nosisi wakhe uNono are celebrating what Bonko is about to do. He's about to make history lapha eGenesis because of the garden show that he actually established and innovated for eGenesis. So it's brother and sister sharing a moment. Now Nono is a proud young sister. On the other side, bafethu, Wendy is putting up a picture. I don't know whose picture is that. I think it's Mpumi's picture because obviously, as you can see on the wall, kunama plaques, musical plaques, agamaruna. So Maruna has been achieving a Genesis before, so they put her plaques and her photos there on the wall yabona as usual. But then ke uWendy ke suggested ukuthi ufakwe isithombe sika Mpumi laphana phezulu as a wall of legends, a wall of people who have actually accomplished and achieved good accolades and what's good for their careers, and it's mostly music because obviously when they used to do music back in the days when Umuzi was still alive, I understand that. And Maruna is the music like Genesis. Mpumi has dropped her single Labona and it's going very very well up until she got a payment, so now Wendy is actually treating Mpumi as a legend. But it seems as if Bafetuge Umaruna is just left out of everything because it's just a proud moment that Wendy has for Mpumi since she actually achieved her payment and achieved her song back, you understand, but it didn't actually do numbers. So Felicia is dancing to some song yabona that was done lapana Genesis Records, so it's a product from Genesis Records yabona, but she's actually excited because Ubonko and his idea is actually like flourishing. It's going places yabona. It's considered even on national radio. So dancer uFelicia lapana, she's a proud mom because Ubonko made her happy yabona. What Bonko actually invented for the garden performance is actually playing on radio and it's trending there on radio. Yabona. So uFelicia is a proud mom yabona, and uzamtshela uBonko ukuthi he reminded Felicia of Umuzi, the late Muzi, of which was Felicia's husband yabona, ukuthi ngesikhathi efuna ukuqala Genesis, when he wanted to start Genesis, people doubted him, but he never stopped yabona. The vision, he had a clear vision and he used the vision. Now Genesis is big, so he actually remembers the same yabona ngobonko. Bonko actually did not like throw away the towel yabona regarding his vision, but he continued yabona to actually like convince Genesis and Felicia that it's gonna work yabona. So Unandi Bafethu is stubborn, so Nobuhle is trying to help Unandi to go to the doctor and go and check ukuthi is she pregnant or not. So basically no wants to confirm yabona ukuthi is Nandi pregnant or not, because the way Nandi has been acting lately is very crazy. She has been vomiting, she has been eating food. Every food that she actually sees or smells, it smells bad for her. So Nandi she's saying that it's impossible to she is pregnant, you understand? And Unobuhle had to ask if they use protection. Apparently, these guys, I don't think they use protection, judging from the face that Nandi gave. So Umafito Bafethu is very happy being a single guy. But the bad thing is he doesn't know ukuthi Unandi, of which is his ex-girlfriend, is pregnant. So basically, the lady in the picture, as you can see, yabona, unike uMafitoto inamba yakhe because uMafitoto asked for a number. You understand? UMafitoto is actually enjoying his life. Yabona, he's not worried about anything. Yabona. So obviously he came to this restaurant to actually charm this girl, but also to see Ishmael yabona, because they are friends and whatsoever. He is looking very very goofy, as you can see yabona, and he got the number from this lady yabona esebenza lapha kule restaurant, this waitress yabona. So on the other side to visit Umam Felicia, which is her mom-in-law, her mother-in-law. So basically came to tell uFelicia ukuthi she wants to speak to Umaruna and she is worried about Bonko. Very, very worried about Bonko, and she wants to speak to Maruna woman to woman. Felicia is being defensive because she knows the truth. Bonko slept with Maruna, but now it's even difficult to actually tell her son actually slept with Maruna. they slept with Maruna because obviously angithi they are engaged. Manje uzobona ukuthi everything is gonna be wasted if ever Felicia opens up her mouth. So obviously ke bafethu ke always came to beg Felicia ukuthi she wants to speak to Maruna woman to woman. You understand, regarding this Bonko concert, the garden concert, because Maruna actually doesn't want to perform there. So basically bafethu continues to actually convince uNandipha to go to the doctor and check and confirm if she's pregnant or not. So uNandipha bafethu is stubborn. She is very stubborn. She doesn't want to listen. She says it's impossible for her to be pregnant. According to her, she is not pregnant. You understand? But the way she's been acting, vomiting and everything, proves to me, umbukeli, the audience, the viewer, ukuthi uNandipha is actually pregnant. You understand? So I don't know if she's gonna take the test, or go to the doctor or not. You understand? But uNobuhle is being a supportive friend. So basically, uMaruna bafethu, it's going bad for Maruna because obviously the fans want her to perform at the garden, but she doesn't want to. And financially, it's not even looking good. Remember, her album was leaked, so she can't get paid. She's not getting paid for her royalties. So now that Mpumi got her money, now Maruna wants to actually collab with Mpumi in actually like bettering impilo yabo, the family's life, the City Bank's life, also impilo Mamuendi, because Uendi wants a double-story house. When she wants like a huge house, and Maruna has been failing to actually like afford that. She can't afford that, you understand? But Mpumi recently received her money and actually paid Uendi and actually like gave her money yabona ukuthi akhande ilokhu double story. So Uendi disagrees with Maruna and Mpumi can collab and actually like making money together and actually like paying each other if ever things go well regarding the music. And Uendi is saying she can't wait longer for Maruna because she has been waiting and Maruna isn't delivering. Malena bafethu Owethu goes to her father, you understand? Goes to her father to ask for help ukuthi akhulume noBonko. And the only person that can help Owethu obviously is Babu Mfundisi, because Owethu is actually worried about uBonko and this concept of his, I understand. So she is expecting Mfundisi to actually transition to speak to Maruna or Bonko to hear him out and everything, because she's extremely worried. But unfortunately, Babu Mfundisi couldn't help her own child, you understand. uNandipha bafethu has taken her test. I think it's a pregnancy test that she took to confirm if she's pregnant or not, you understand? So usayithathile test bafethu, and I can say it's not looking good because after she took the test, she kneeled down to pray ukuthi test she is negative. But unfortunately, it was very late to actually pray for the test to be negative, because on the outcome, the test was actually positive for uNandipha. So meaning ukuthi uNandipha bafethu is pregnant. She is pregnant ngengane kaMafisto. And Mafisto doesn't know, you understand? I can really tell ukuthi uNandipha isn't ready to be a mother, but they slept with Mafisto. There's no turning back in that. She is pregnant. On the other side, Owethu no Maruna meet up. Woman to woman, they meet up. They speak to each other. And apparently, Owethu told Maruna ukuthi uBonko cares about Maruna and cares about her career, you understand? So while at it, Maruna spills the beans and asks Owethu ukuthi, if uBonko really cares about me, then why did he sleep with me before the church service? I think it was when Mfundisi announced uBonko no Owethu as people who are actually engaged and people who are going to get married. So Owethu was begging Maruna basically to go and perform and make things possible and make history with uBonko and Genesis. But unfortunately, Maruna still doesn't want to go perform. Maruna wants Bonko to leave Owethu for her, you understand, in order for them to actually collaborate or work together. But she spoke the truth bafethu, and it's not looking good Owethu. She just turned emotional and obviously it tricked her ukuthi hayibo, these guys were sleeping together and she didn't know. So manje, the truth is out. There's gonna be a long fight between these people. It's gonna be a long triangle between these people. And let me know what you think is gonna happen next with Genesis. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.